Hey everyone! It's your favorite house owner and mower enthusiast, back with another video. Today, I'm going to be comparing 3 different lawn mowers and giving you my honest opinion on each one. Are you ready to get your green thumb on? Let's do it! Product 1, BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 String Trimmer / Edger and Lawn Mower. First up, we have the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 String Trimmer / Edger and Lawn Mower. At a price point of $101, it's definitely a budget-friendly option. But does it actually deliver on its promises? Let's see. Product 2, BLACK+DECKER Electric Lawn Mower, 10 amp, corded. Next, we have another BLACK+DECKER option, the Electric Lawn Mower, 10 amp, corded. This one is a bit more expensive, at $130. But with that extra investment, are you getting a better product? Product 3, Sun-Joe MJ401E-PRO Electric Lawn Mower. And last but not least, we have the Sun-Joe MJ401E-PRO Electric Lawn Mower. This one's a bit of a standout, with a unique collapsible handle, 3-position height control, and a large 10.6-gallon bag for all your grass clippings. And the best part? It's currently on discount, bringing the price down from over $170 to just $129. So, after using each of these lawn mowers, I have to say, I'm really impressed with the Sun-Joe MJ401E-PRO. It has 5 great features that really set it apart. 1. The collapsible handle makes it easy to store. 2. The 3-position height control allows for customization. 3. The 10.6-gallon bag is a great size. 4. The side discharge chute makes it easy to dispose of clippings. And 5. The 13-amp motor is powerful, but still energy efficient. As a house owner who has had multiple mid-range mowers in the past, I can tell you, I don't like to overspend. But the Sun-Joe MJ401E-PRO is well worth the investment. So, if you're in the market for a new lawn mower, I highly recommend checking out the Sun-Joe MJ401E-PRO. And you can even check the price by clicking the link in the description. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found this comparison video helpful. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you did, and hit the subscribe button for more fun and informative videos just like this one. See you next time.